you're just going to sprinkle that on there. Put that remainder to the side. And then what you're going to do is mix this in as well. And you can get in there with your hands if you want to, or you can use a spoon, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm using a spoon just because I'm also filming. And these are really tasty. When you cook them, they might look as if they're coming out like a little bit dark, and it's only because the sugars in the honey is caramelizing. So, and you want that because that's part of your sweetness. You want that caramelization. So that's pretty good right there. Okay, that one's trying to escape. Get your butt back in there. Alright, that's really good. So I'm just going to put these in the pan and show you what happens next. Okay, so I have these in the pan, and what I'm going to do is take my remaining sauce I have at the bottom of the bowl and just sprinkle that, or pour that over the chicken that's in my pan. So the good thing is you have nothing going to waste, because that would be a lot of spices. But like I said, this is going to give you that caramelization on top of your chicken. So you might think your chicken looks, just watch it. You don't want it to burn, but you might think it's burnt, and it's actually not. It's just like the hardening, like when you have caramel. And that's where you're getting your sweet from in this recipe. Also, it's what will help the sesame seeds stick to your chicken wings when after they're cooked. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and they will cook for approximately, I would say 35-40 minutes. I'll check them at 35 and see if I need to take them out or turn the pan. And some people, like halfway through the cooking process, will simply rotate the pan around. You could do that. It's not really necessary, but it depends on how your oven cooks. Ours cooks with hot air, so it gets a really even cook without moving anything. And then we will come back and finish this dish. So here we are back, and these took about 35 minutes to cook. So, like I said, watch your oven. You can decide if 35 or 40 minutes is good for you. But what I did is I already put some on a plate and did my first layer of extra love, I guess I'll call it. And because the love is what you want to do is hit this with your organic honey. So just a drizzle. You don't need a lot. And then what you want to do is hit it with a little bit of your dry seasoning that you had left over. Once again, you don't need a lot, but adding flavor on top of flavor, it always works. So you have like 3 levels of seasoning here. There you go. And then you're going to take your roasted or toasted sesame seed and just sprinkle that all over. And once again, use as much or as little as you desire. And there you go. That is super simple. It's easy to clean up after. And it just tastes so good. I wish you guys could taste this with me and with my family. And this is what we're having for our dinner tonight. And yes, I have it on a bed of cabbage, cucumber, bell pepper, and there is some celery under there as well. And I actually have an entire salad on the side made for this. So what I would do, and what we're going to do, is serve this with an Asian salad dressing that is brand new. It's made by Ken's. And there it is, Simply Vinaigrette Asian. It is so tasty. This is one of my new addictions for salad, and you just have to watch like how much you put on your salad, because it is a little bit sweet. So it has 120 calories, and the serving size is 2 tablespoons. So 120 calories for 2 tablespoons, that's kind of a lot. but the sodium is pretty low. Obviously the fat is like tiny, it's like really small. So when you buy this, there's very little oil in it. It's mostly, you know, the actual salad dressing. But it's really, really good, and it will go perfectly with my sesame, sweet, spicy, sticky, and did I miss anything in there besides sweet, spicy, sticky, and has sesame on it? Chicken wings. So enjoy, have a great day, and if you have any suggestions for recipes you would like us to make, please put those down below. If you have any comments on this recipe, please let us know what they are, any way we can improve it, or did you like it the way it is? Please let me know if you're going to try the recipe, and let us know how it came out for you. Also, if you give us a thumbs up, we'd much appreciate that, and please share this video with all your family and friends on any social media platform you desire. And if you could subscribe, we really would appreciate that too, because we have more videos coming up. I have one in regards to barbecuing, very interesting. And let's just say it's not uncommon for me to have a towering inferno. So take care, have a great rest of your day, and please visit us again at the Velvet Lounge.